Have you ever tried to create a video from slides? If you have, you may have found that it's an amazing experience, because it is. Going to show you how to do it with Colossyan. So first I'm going to do is go into, notice here, import, click on that, and then I'm going to upload a slide presentation. Notice you can do it with Google Slides or with Microsoft. If you're using Google Drive, you'll have to convert it to a PDF. And that's really, really easy. You just go into your Google Drive. Let me go into mine, file, and then download as PDF document and drag and drop. Okay, here we go with the PDF file that I got from Google Drive. Go into import. All right, now notice this is what it looks like. You're going to go, I've got a cloned voice here that I'm going to add. I just want to add the voice, and that came with it when I cloned it. So if you're interested in that, got videos on that, please ask in the comment box below so you can get more information. Next, I'm going to go to generate and resolutions, start generation. That was really fast. Next, notice we can copy the link and share, but notice it's generating right now at 3%. It needs to be 100. You'll be notified by email, which is absolutely fantastic. And here it is, and I
Create dynamic, powerful, and informative videos with an avatar.
Now, the only problem is that I didn't go through each of the slides to add my voice, so it just added voice. Go back to library and make sure that this doesn't happen to you. Now, keep the draft. Never, ever remove the draft unless you're sure you don't want to make any changes. Let me go into edit draft. Notice here at the bottom, I can apply to all scenes, and then I don't have to do it one by one. Now it should be for all scenes. Next, I'm going to go back to generate. Have to wait a little bit, but I think it's worthwhile so that you get your own voice right through each of the slides. And here it is. You can listen to the difference. Here we go.
Create dynamic, powerful, and informative videos with an avatar as your host. Intuitive interface that anyone can use. Create dynamic, powerful, and informative.
And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box below, and subscribe.